short haircuts that will captivate you in 2026. The year 2026 promises a revolution in the hairstyle world. Short haircuts are back in the spotlight, and each one has its own character and charm. Let's find out which models will be the most coveted this year. 1. Shaggy Bob Water Wave. What's it? Shaggy Bob is the perfect combination of shaggy carelessness and classic bob. The haircut is created by layered, ragged strands that create the effect of movement and volume. Haircut features. This hairstyle is characterized by uneven layers that start from the top of the head and continue down. The front strands are often longer than the occipital part, which creates a dynamic and youthful image. The shaggy bob is perfect for hair of any type and texture. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: versatility, minimal styling, hides facial imperfections, youthful appearance. Cons: requires regular correction every 3 to 4 weeks, styling is needed. 2. The French Pixie. History and classics. The French Pixie is a style icon that has inspired millions of women to make drastic changes. This haircut embodies Parisian chic and femininity. Haircut characteristics. The French Pixie is a short haircut with a length of about 2 to 3 centimeters on the back of the head and sides. The front strands are slightly longer, often covering the ear. The crown has a small volume, which creates an elegant silhouette. Perfect facial features. This haircut looks best on faces with regular features, as it completely reveals the face. Ideal for an oval and elongated face, it highlights beautiful cheekbones and jaw. 3. Short bob person getting haircut female sign. Definition of classics. A short bob is a classic haircut that never goes out of fashion. In 2026, she is experiencing a new birth in the form of bolder and more modern interpretations. Features of the modern short bob. A modern short bob has a length approximately at the level of the chin or slightly higher. The main feature is clear, graphic lines and often asymmetry. 4. Garson woman red hair. What is a garçon? Garçon is one of the most daring and extreme short haircuts. This is the shortest hairstyle possible, which requires courage and confidence. Haircut parameters. The length of hair in a garçon haircut is about 1 to 2 centimeters across the entire head. The haircut maximizes the face, emphasizes its shape and features. The hair can be smooth or textured. For whom? The garçon is suitable for women with beautiful facial features, a regular skull shape and without complexes. This haircut doesn't hide anything, so it requires self-confidence. 5. Elongated pixie. Compromise between pixie and bob. An elongated pixie is an ideal choice for those who want to try a short haircut, but are not ready for radical changes. This is a compromise between a classic pixie and a longer haircut. Ideal for work and life. An elongated pixie haircut is for active women who want to look stylish, but are not ready to sacrifice practicality. 6. Bob square ribbon. A hybrid of two classics. Bob square is a modern fusion of two classic haircuts, which creates a unique and very fashionable image. What distinguishes bobcats? The bob combines the elements of both haircuts. The geometry and clarity of the bob with the softer, feminine lines of the bob. The haircut has an even cut in length, but with thin layers for volume. General tips for choosing a short haircut. Consider the shape of your face. Each haircut looks best on a specific face shape. Consult with the master before making a choice. Hair type matters. Thin hair looks better with layered haircuts. Thick hair can be worn smoothly. Wavy hair REQ. Short hair care lotion bottle. Brupebashing. Use mild shampoos and conditioners that suit your hair type. Wash your hair with warm water, not hot. Hydration and nutrition. Short hair needs regular hydration. Use masks, serums, and hair oils 1 to 2 times a week. Protection during installation. Always use thermal protection before using a hair dryer or ironing. This will help keep your hair healthy. Vitamins and health. Beautiful hair starts from the inside. Make sure you get enough vitamins, minerals, and proteins. The final choice. Whatever short haircut you choose in 2026, remember, the main thing is your confidence and comfort. Short hair is not just a hairstyle. It is a way of life, a statement about oneself and a symbol of courage. Regardless of whether you choose an elegant French pixie, a cheeky garçon, or a versatile bob, you will look amazing. The main thing is to find a master who understands your vision and allow yourself to experiment. Are you ready for the changes? Short haircuts of 2026 are waiting for you.
Past I messed up, gave too much.